On this week's 2-minute tip, how to keep the critters from nibbling on your vegetable garden. So right behind me here, I've got a row of collards that I just planted from transplants. It's the Tiger variety of collards. And from past experiences, I know that in the fall time of the year with my fall garden, I typically have a lot of pressure, especially from rabbits coming in and nibbling on my garden and just eating these transplants down to the stem. So I want to be proactive here and go ahead and put something on these plants to keep the rabbits from eating them. I don't want to wait till they start munching on a few and then try to stop them. I want to be proactive and try to keep it from happening in the first place. So there's quite a few products out there on the market to keep critters from eating on your garden. There's ground sprays, there's foliar sprays, there's a lot of them out there. And we've done some testing ourselves and also looked at some testing from other sources. And the best thing we've found is this stuff right here called Bobex. Now this is a foliar spray. Typically the research suggests that those ground sprays don't really work that well. These foliar sprays work a lot better, and you're going to spray this right on the plant. Now you don't want to spray this on anything that's almost ready to harvest. You want to use this early on in the life of the plant, and you condition those animals to believe that whatever they're trying to eat doesn't taste very good. So as soon as I put those transplants in the ground, I'll go ahead and spray this all over the leaves, and hopefully we don't ever have a problem with them eating the leaves because it doesn't taste good to them. This Bobex here mixes at a ratio of about 16 ounces to a gallon. So this that comes in a jug here is concentrated, and we have this in quart sizes and also this half-gallon size right here. We also have a Bobex that's for deer. This one here specifically is for rabbits, squirrels, smaller animals. Another good thing about this Bobex is that it has a sticking agent to it, so it's not going to wash off in the rain. So if you spray it and then get a rain, you don't have to worry about turning around and spraying it right again. I usually apply this about once every week or two early in the life of those plants to try to keep any damage from happening then. So don't be fooled by a lot of the imitators on the market. Get a product that actually works, and this Bobex right here works really well. Spray it early in the life of the plant, spray it every couple weeks or so, and keep those pesky critters from munching on your vegetable garden. Hope you enjoyed this week's 2-minute tip. We'll see you next week.